Yeah, the future of dust collection is definitely tied, in my opinion, to monitoring sensors and using things like AI and machine learning for predictive maintenance, uh, machine monitoring, asset tracking, and so forth. If you look at the history of dust collection equipment, it's kind of been in slow little jumps having to do with footprint, efficiency, filter cleaning. And for many years, there's been talk about predictive maintenance and IoT, or Internet of Things, where you have all these connected sensors and they basically automate everything. And only recently has the promise of that IoT connectivity really started to come to fruition. Historically, it's been very expensive. These things haven't worked as well as they should have, and there's a lot of manpower and IT systems and required to get them to do anywhere near what the promise was. But nowadays, with kind of the advent of cheap AI availability, machine learning, the cost of sensors and the variability of different sensors out there, from airflow sensors to differential pressure sensors to vibration sensors, emission, particulate sensors, all these things, basically the cost has come way down. There's now plug and play systems like we use and deploy Sensory's Dust IQ systems, which is a plug and play operating system where you pick which sensors you want, you configure your system, it's plug and play, and you have a dashboard that has predictive maintenance, it has that AI support. It's really, in my mind, revolutionary, and that has taken a lot of the manual manpower requirements out of that maintenance inspection cycle that we talked about, because it does take a lot to make sure these systems are running as they should. If you have a person in your plant, a man or woman that has to climb up the ladder to check the differential pressure every day or every Tuesday, that takes a lot of time. It's often not done, and what happens is your filters fail before you know it. But if you have sensors up there and you have a dashboard that's easy to use, you should know 2 months before the filters fail, because you have your differential pressure giving you warnings. You have your fan vibration sensor that's telling you, hey, in 2 months we're going to have a bearing issue. All of those things, in my mind, are revolutionary, and that's where the future of industrial equipment and dust collection is going.